need to isolate for y. Okay, so then if I subtract 6 over 5 to both sides, I get 3x minus 5 squared. Now 1 over 5 minus 6 over 5 will be minus 5 over 5, which is minus 1. Okay, so now we're in the form of a, x minus h squared plus k. So a is going to be 3, h is going to be 5, and k is going to be minus 1. Because a is positive, I know that the parabola has to be pointing upwards. And combining these two, the vertex is going to be at 5, negative 1. Okay, and from this h here, the axis of symmetry is that x is equal to h, which is 5. So now we have a lot of information, so let's try graphing this. So here's 5, so it's at 5, negative 1, so right here. Here's our vertex, right? Now, if I plug in for the point to the left of this, so this is going to be 4, right? What do I get if I plug it into here? I get 3, 4 minus 5 squared minus 1. This is 3 times 1, so that's just 3 minus 1, which is 2. So I should be getting 2. Okay, so it's upward facing, so for here, I need to be at 2. But remember that there is a axis of symmetry at x is equal to 5. So whatever the point is here, it's going to reflect here. Okay, so then connecting the dots, you get something like this.